Dear students, in previous video we have discussed the distance formula and some questions which was based on distance formula. Now here we are going to introduce you about the formula which is named as section formula. Section formula. It means if we have a line A with coordinates x1 and y1 and B with coordinates x2 and y2. If we have a point P with a point P which divides this line segment AB in ratio m and n, then the coordinate of P will be mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n and my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. This is called section formula. In your textbook, this m and n has been given m1 and m2. So, if P divides the line segment AB in m1 and m2 ratio, then the coordinate of P will equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Students, if this P bisects this line segment, it means m and n are equal, then P will called the midpoint of AB. Now, if m1 is equal to m2 or m is equal to n, then P will be the midpoint of AB of which coordinate will be x1 plus x2 divided with 2, y1 plus y2 divided with 2. This two formula will be used in exercise 7.2. Now we come at exercise 7.2 and try to solve the given questions. Second question is, find the coordinates of the point of the trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. trisection means the line segment AB will be divided in such a way that it has three equal parts. Now let us P and Q be the point of trisection of the line segment 4, -1 and -2, -3. If you take this ratio 1, 1, 1, then AP and PB is equal to 1 and 2. With section formula, the coordinate of P is equal to 1 multiplied by -2 plus 2 multiplied by 4, 1 plus 2, and 1 multiplied by -3 plus 2 multiplied by -1 upon 3. That will give 2 and -5 by 3. Similarly, if you see AQ upon QB is equal to 2 upon 1, it implies it divides the line segment in 2 and 1. Then M1 is equal to 2 and M2 is equal to 1. So, by using the section formula, we can get 2 multiplied by -2 plus 1 multiplied by 4 divided with 2 plus 1. Similarly, for y coordinate, 2 multiplied by -3 plus 1 multiplied by -1 divided with 3. Then it will give 0 minus 7 by 3. And that is your answer. Now we come question number 4. It says find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10 and 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. Then let the point P -1, 6 divides the line segment joining A -3, 10 and B 6, -8 into ratio K ratio 1. Then the coordinate of P, which is given as -1, 6, by the section formula K multiplied by 6 plus 1 multiplied by -3 divided with K plus 1. And K multiplied by -8 plus 1 multiplied by 10 divided with K plus 1. That is 6K minus 3 divided with K plus 1 minus 8K plus 10 divided with K plus 1. Now, by comparing, we can get 6K minus 3 upon K plus 1 is equal to -1. It implies 6K minus 3 is equal to minus K minus 1. Then 7K is equal to 2. It implies K is equal to 2 upon 7. Then the point P will divide this line segment in ratio 2:7. That is the answer. Now question number 6. If 1, 2, 4y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order, find the value of x and y. We have made A, B, C, D as a parallelogram with the vertices A, 1, 2, B, 4 and y, C, x and 6, D, 3 and 5. Then we know that the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Then using this concept, we have OD is equal to OB and OA is equal to OC. Then the coordinate of O will same for OA and OC and OD and OB. Then the coordinate of O is equal to midpoint of AC is equal to midpoint of BD. Now we can use the midpoint formula, that is 1 plus x divided with 2, 2 plus 6 divided with 2 is equal to 3 plus 4 by divided with 2 and 5 plus y divided with 2. By comparing 1 plus x by 2 is equal to 7 by 2, it implies x is equal to 6. And 5 plus y divided with 2 is equal to 4. It implies 5 plus y is equal to 8. It implies y is equal to 3. That is the answer. Now question number 8. If AB, A and B are -2, -2 and 2, -4 respectively, find the coordinate of P such that AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. We have given AP is equal to 3 upon 7 AB. It implies BP is equal to 1 minus 3 upon 7, that is 4 upon 7 AB. Now using the section formula of coordinate of P is equal to 3 multiplied 2 plus 4 multiplied by minus 2 upon 3 plus 4, 3 multiplied with minus 4 plus 4 multiplied with minus 2 and 3 plus 4. Then it will be minus 2 upon 7 and minus 20 upon 7. That is the answer. And the 10th question, it says find the area of a rhombus of its vertices 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1 and 4, minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. It wants the area of rhombus. Now we make the figure A, which is 3, 0, B 4 and 5, C minus 1, 4 and D minus 2, minus 1, and join the diagonals. Then the diagonal AC, by the distance formula, it will be minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 0 square, that is 16 plus 16 under root, that is 32. Now diagonal BD is equal to minus 2 minus 4 square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square, that is under root 72. We know that the area of rhombus is equal to half of product of its diagonals. Diagonals are AC and BD. Now we take as diagonal, then its value is 24 square unit. That is the end of exercise 7.2. In next video, we will learn the area of triangle by using the coordinate geometry.